Hey everybody, it's Danny here at Danny Reviews, and these are some Pozzono Pet Glove Wipes for your dogs and cats. They're coconut scented. You're going to get 12 pieces in each bag, so 36 pieces will come in the order. And again, these are going to be plant-based. They're lick safe. There's rinse. You don't have to do anything after rinsing your pet, after wiping them with these gloves. And they're going to have these resealable tabs here. And if we pull out a glove, you can see here, it's pretty large. It's got a nice texture to it. So it has some ridges and some bumps on these gloves. And this is going to be able to fit, like I have a pretty large hand, right? And this is nice and big. And now I can go pet my dog, wipe them down, especially if they came back in for, running outside. And we like these because when we go out camping, the dogs stay with us. So I can wipe my dogs before they come into the RV. And again, these are just a really nice half. They're easy to carry. Throw them into like a shelf or in a cabinet. And then we can go ahead and wipe the dogs. And I'll show you here what that looks like. Here's my two puppies. I can go ahead and just give him a nice rubbing. This is cleaning his coat. Let's see. Get his paw. So yeah, this just puts it in, and he smells nice. So it smells like coconut, which is really nice. His elbows, and you just petting your pets so they don't mind. And you can see here, this is pretty dirty, and it's collected hair, and the hair sticks to it too, which is nice. So it helps with the shedding. In my case scenario here, as you can see here, kind of in the light, how the hair and the fuzz is stuck to the glove. So I definitely recommend these. Check them out. Shout out to the company for gifting me these so I could do a review.